If you're a good parent, but your anger sometimes hijacks you in the moment, there is one question that changes everything. Not a try harder question and not a motivational quote. It's one question I started asking right before I react, and it instantly slows me down because my brain has nowhere else to go. I'll show you exactly what to ask, how to use it when you're triggered, and why it works even if you've prayed about it for years. Stay with me, because the best part is how it prevents the aftershock you feel hours later. This is for you if you love God and you want your home to feel safe, but you also know what it's like to snap, then regret it. Or maybe you don't snap, maybe you shut down, get cold, or make the tone do the damage. Either way, the goal isn't to pretend you never get angry. The goal is to learn how to lead your emotions instead of letting them lead you. I'm going to share the one question, the moment to use it, a simple, repeatable script you can say to your kids, and the prayer mindset that makes it stick. Most parenting anger isn't actually about the behavior. It's about what the behavior means in your mind. Your child spills something and suddenly your brain hears, I can't keep up. They talk back and your brain hears, they don't respect me. They keep repeating the same thing and your brain hears, I'm failing. You're not just reacting to toys on the floor, you're reacting to the story you attach to it. So if we want different behavior, we have to interrupt the story before it becomes a voice. Okay, here it is. The question is, God, what do you want me to do in this exact second to love my child well? Not how do I win this argument, and not how do I make them listen? Not even why are they like this? This question anchors you to love and obedience at the speed of a trigger. Because the moment you ask it, you're telling your nervous system, we're not going to sprint, we're going to respond. Anger always pushes you toward control, and this question pushes you toward care. First, anger feels urgent, it's loud, and it thinks you must act now, so when you ask a question, you buy time. Not a dramatic timeout, just enough time for the brain to switch tracks. Second, you're swapping your identity mission. In that moment, anger says your job is to prevent disrespect, but love says your job is to guide the heart. And here's the spiritual piece, you're inviting God into the steering wheel, not as a background character, but as a decision maker. So you're not trying to force yourself to be calmer by brute strength, you're redirecting your attention to the next loving action. Most parents only try to pray after they've already reacted, and honestly, that's like slapping a band-aid on a fire. This has to happen before you speak right, when you feel it, when the heat rises, when your stomach tightens, when you're about to give the tone. If you notice the thought, you can catch the moment the thought usually shows up, like they're doing it again, or I can't handle this, or they're ignoring me. When that thought hits you, ask the question. Then your anger has to wait, and waiting is what turns anger into information instead of ignition. Now don't make this vague. The question isn't just for the moment, it's for the next action, because God can't guide you into confusion, He guides you into clarity. When I ask this, the answer is usually one of the three things. Slow down and name what's true. For example, I'm getting frustrated, I want to handle this calmly. Take a step that reduces stress. For example, let's reset. Walk with me to the bathroom, we'll start over. Set a firm boundary with a gentle tone, for example. You can be upset, but you can't throw I'm